it is very clear that there is an understanding. It is extremely clear there is a real understanding between the CPM and the Congress insofar as criminal leaders are concerned, because the CPM is very worried that in the coming elections it will lose, and is seeking an insurance policy with the Congress party. The Congress party's Rahul Mankutam should have been charged with, under the sections of the law appropriately many months ago, and should have been questioned accordingly. But it is only thanks to the pressure of the media and the victim speaking out that finally a case has been filed against Rahul Mankutam, the MLA from the Congress. And as far as other cases are concerned, there is another case in Calicut where Chandrasekhar INTUC, leader of the Congress party, there is a huge, Congress in Kollam actually, where the CPM refuses to proceed against him. So it is very clear that in a desperate attempt to remain in power, the CPM is seeking an understanding with the Congress to defeat the BJP NDA. But the people of Kerala, every Malayali have decided that they want change. They want to shrug away the politics of the CPM and the Congress that have held back the state and their family's future for many years. And I am hopeful that they will support the BJP NDA.